Good morning dear student, welcome to your maths class. Today we are here to discuss your chapter number 1 that is related to integers. So firstly we will discuss what are integers. All numbers negative including with 0 positive numbers are called integers. All negative positive number including with 0 are called integers. So what are the properties of integer? We will discuss now this. Properties of integers. Properties. One by one we will discuss. First is closure property. Closure property. It means if we multiply an integer with the integer, our answer will be an integer. It means if I multiply minus 2 into 3, I will get my answer minus 6. So I already said all negative and positive number are integer. So I multiply two integers, my answer will be a integer. Next student, next property is commutative property. It means if I add A and B, my answer will be same as if I add B to A. And same holds for multiplication also. If I multiply A with B, my answer will be same as B multiplied by A. Both answers will be same. But these properties does not hold for subtraction and division of integers. Next is associative property. It means if I add A into B into C, firstly I add AB, then answer by C. My answer will be same as A into B into C. If I multiply B, C firstly and A after that. Distributive law. It means A into B plus C. Distributive property says if A is multiplied by B plus C, then how we solve? It means A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. Okay. Now multiplicative inverse. It means, student, next property is multiplicative inverse. If I have a number A, then I need a number by which I should multiply A so that my answer will be 1. So I multiplied A with the reciprocal of it. It means 1 by A. My answer will be 1. A will cancel with A. Next is additive inverse. If I have a number A, then what number I should add in it so that my answer will be 0. I will add minus A in it. A minus A is equal to 0. So additive inverse means by which number we should add my given number so that my answer will be 0. By chapter number 1 integer. We have done properties of integer. Now next exercise is 1.3. In this statement, first we have given solve these type of equation. How we have to solve this type of equation, because there are so many symbols given here, division, multiply, and how we have to solve this one. I will use this formula to solve these type of equation. Firstly, B means bracket, O means of, D matlab division, M means multiply, A matlab addition, and S for subtraction. Then how I will solve it? According to it, if there is a bracket given, I will solve bracket. But there is no bracket. Next, O means of. Of is not here. Next is division. Division is here. So I am going to solve it. 20. Other things will be same. 25 plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay. Next is multiply 2 minus 4. Now I have solved the division. Now see in the statement, after division there is multiplication. So I will solve multiplication. Other things will be same. 2 ones are 2 minus 4. So next step is add. Now add 25 plus 2 is 27. Next is minus 4. I have solved this one. 27 minus 4. 27 minus 4 is 23. So my answer is 23. We have to follow this formula. BODMAS. BODMAS. These symbols, step by step we have to solve these sums. Thank you. Next, after BODMAS, if there is this type of statement is given, how we solve it? There are signs are given, but there are so many type of brackets are here. You can see here curly bracket is here, and this is called box bracket is here, and this one is common bracket, and this one is called bar bracket. So how we have to solve? Firstly we will solve bar bracket, then common bracket, then we will solve curly bracket, and after this box bracket. We will solve step by step. Then we can easily solve this statement. Now other things will be same. See, where is the bar bracket? Here is the bar bracket. We will solve it. Other things I am writing same as 2 plus 3 divided by, in bar bracket there is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. Bar bracket is over. I have solved it. Now 24 plus 2 plus. After bar bracket there is a common bracket. Here is the common bracket. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now I have solved the bracket, so I have removed it. After this I will solve curly bracket. 2 plus 1 is 3. 24. Now there is only box bracket. 24 plus 3 is 27. This is my answer. Other question you will try by yourself. If you have any problem, you can discuss to me. Thank you and have a nice day.